Le mo tseleng ba retle ko police station re fitla kwa re go irala ba re ba suspect gore o fentse o rapile.
O na le ngwana o rapilweng?
Yes.
What happened?
I don't know what happened. I wasn't here. Oh.
O na le jalo tse kae?
No one at 17. We disabled.
Na ingalo madoda.
Hey, usukhona.
Trantako.
Hey, iyona ngishoshoroza ngayo.
Right. Kubi.
Indawo ye2 hours ngihamba ngo4 hours.
Ngiyayibona.
Hey.
Uthi namhlanje iziphi I hope angiphetha into ezibhlungu.
Ayihlezi zikho.
Kwenze njani?
Yazi ngithinta uThapelo la endaweni yaseMawubane la ngase Hammanskraal side.
Oh.
Ungitshela ukuthi unomntwana wakho intombazane okhubazekile kahle kahle uyisidalwa akakhoni ukukhuluma nokuzenzela izinto. Kodwa watholakala esenukubezwe ngokocansi wadlenqulwa.
Intwanini le?
Ayinto nje esenesikhathi I think eya last year 2025.
Manje khona uboshiwe?
Hayi, indaba yakhona yaphelele emoyeni nje. Ngoba lapha emndenini khona nabantu abamaphoyisa ifamily yakhona nje injalo inamaphoyisa phakathi so icase yakhona nje yaphelele emoyeni akuzange kube khona isisombululo secala.
Hayi ke. Iyangimangazela ukuthi ingane iyanukubezwa emndenini khona amaphoyisa kodwa icase iphelele emoyeni.
Iphelele emoyeni akuzange
khona okushaya amanzi. Okay. Yabona manje sekusebusuku manje uthini? Sihlangane kusasa?
Kulungile kusasa.
All right.
Singahlangana kusasa mina ngizoshaya insimbi yami ngibhekise khona.
Okay. Ungitholele more information.
Khululeka.
All right indoda.
Ake ngibe
wena netoroza yakho ngizokubona.
Ja. Angine.
Abu Thapelo.
Okay, o sendile?
Le kae papa?
Ke teng wena o ka?
Ke teng. Yo, ga tshisa.
Too hot.
Go Hammanskraal. Abu Thapelo ke utlwile taba tse bohloko.
Ke ra le taba tse di botlhoko wait. Since ngwana ka rapilwe 2024.
O repa ke ma?
Re suspect gore ke maloma hae.
Okay, a re qale. What happened?
Irile ka na 2024 ne le di 4 tsa January.
Okay.
Ne ke na le mama hae re le go kanana go motseng wa rena.
Okay.
Ba re founela re le kwa ba ngwana ha sharp.
Sorry, just the linyetse.
Global.
Oh, global. You do that together. Okay.
So ba ne ba tle hae mo kwa habo.
All right. Okay.
So ba re founela ba re ngwana ha sharp re tle ka pele. He re le mo tseleng ba re founela ne le bokora 29 a boshiu. Ra requesta Uber no sna transport. He re le mo tseleng ba retle ko police station. Re fitla kwa re go irala ba re ba suspect o fentse o rapile. After ba bolela bjao.
Okay, ke bo mang ba le forelang? Ke bo mang ba suspecta?
Ke younger sister wa hae.
Younger sister wa motho wa hao? Motho wa hao ke mang lebitso la hae? Akamia. Okay. All right.
So here fitla mo la ba re ne re tla clinic ba itse re tla mo police station re mele vene e tlo re tsare ko forensic ko Jubilee hospital bona ko ayo checkiwang hore velo rape.
Okay.
So vene immediately sne re tsena ya tsena le yona o tsamaya le nna le mama ha ya khame ra le ka vene ko Jubilee hospital. So ngwana ha bo ke na sala nga bula case and now am founetse o sala bula case nna re ya kwa le ngwana o checkiwa re fitla kwa di result di a tswa ngwana positive for rape.
The result di tswa spetlele was it the same day?
Yeah.
Kana ko ha ne ba sonke delay ya offense.
Ba inkile here mo isitse ko forensic. So after mo hostel nna monate nna le mosadi wa njikela o mpotsa ditori tsa khale nna sele ka moirangang neng
na ke buta hae offense.
Ke a buta hae wa mo a irileng so ke ya ka 2025 January o na le motho mo mputsisa re mona se lo ngwana o rapilwe case tsa mabangere fetu case la a ke tlhalwanye selo ebile motho ntlhadile ebile o tswile le go jarateng mara ke ntse ka hope ya gore e tla re di result di tswile ba mfounela ba mpotsa ra wa 1 2 3 next a wira le se so motho la mpotsa o bereka go police station o itse case number ha o ka mo fa yo ka mo fa case number la yo e checka ko ha e checka kwa wa mfounela re mone case ya ke tlhalwanyo go irala mara e tshwere ke motho moso number tsa ke itse mo founela o mmotsise ke a mo founela Mr. Orange Sharp ke nna motho mososo ko founela mabapi le case ya ngwana ya rape ya dikana ka mo fa case number a ra wa di result tse o khale di tswile a ba o botsa ke ra wa nna ba mpotsa seno
ka ba botsa ke ena mos
ke na le number tsa ena yang assistant a setseng a bula case ke founela se se Orange Sharp ne ke founetse motho la tshwereng case a re di result di tswile wa ile sampotsa wa tshowa wa panic na ne ke re tlo botsa nna ne ke potsa re se se ka me o boditse ke ra na ona motho mpotseng selo be amma ka re ba re khale di tswile so le irile bjang pila case di result tse le bolelang ka tsona ke tsamaya ena mpotsa gore ke tsa batho ba bobedi e ke busa ena investigator ola a re o tsere motho mogwane ena main suspect fela ke re bjano ke boela ko ene ke musa ke re bjano le irile bjang a re ne re itse ba keep docket e tla re hentse ba tshwara di-suspect tsa di-rape ba nne ntse ba checka ilingane le tsona ke re mara ngwana o la se ngwana wa tsamayang gore ka re o rapilwe ko kae or maybe nonna le ba eng or mmereko or eng a melele o nna mo sofeng peto wa tlhokomeliwa just like that wa jesiwa o irela ntongwe lengwe so ba nyako ndribula ba nkisa kwa le kwa ka le mo gore ai mo na le mokho
all right so o re di results tsa Phuti di negative and then di suspect tse ithutse dingwe o di kile kae o joditse ke mang ka tsona
a ba dinka ke ntho ne ntlhakatlhakantsha yona gore ha o kholo ba nna ile ba ba itire ngwana re ipile tshwantse o tseiwe mo one wa ba sa ba tseba botlhe once re khono kra suspect mo bana batho
ke bo mang wa ba ithu
ke ntate moholo wa teng ke ena main suspect o le Mputi lo monne ba re ke Jan ke bona ba ne ba le teng batho ba banna ba ne ba le teng during incident
so batho mos ba charteng wa e bona ba sanka tsa bona ba le ba itire
gona mo a o tlo botsa ke re ke bole mohile go rona le ntwe ba irile batho
okay Dumelang ma. Le kae? Re teng. So wena as nkgono wa offense o ikutlwa jwang?
Go tlhoka nnete ha bona. Moshimane o kile a ba tlhekefetsa o mongwe wa bana ebe yena khame a mmulela case ko a tshwarwa. Ebe papa teng
yena Phuti o
ile a tshwarwa then ba tsuhile hore ha ka yo tshwarwa la bobedi maybe ka ba hore ke bo yo ba bophelo
ka case o I butse
ya bula yena khame
ya fela kae
papa hae a mo threaten or even a yo phimula video a go
ba iphumula jwang
yena o ile ayo cancel case
before ya any further na khopela o bona Akamia ba fethu
okay
yeah khopela o bona Akamia le the scene where the crime happened
okay
if le ready are
yeah let's go
ne
yes
okay Coco. Os Akamia. So kena andile. Highly sick. Kwena Akamia.
Yes.
Okay. Una le bana?
Yes.
Bye kae?
By 3.
Okay. So una le ngwana o repilweng?
Yes.
What happened?
I don't know what happened. I wasn't here.
So how did you find out?
Bang phone is one pot.
How did you feel?
I don't know how I'm feeling even right now. I don't know how I feel.
Obviously, into the
Yes, get to the no one at 17 who disabled.
What kind of bullet?
I couldn't.
Sure.
Casey Iwuzwi investigate every male person on a little more high DNA, but the DNA that thing had image.
How?
Yes.
So when I have a trouble because I carry for them for the DNA, that means kid suspect.
Yes.
And then Baba Latil.
Baba Latil.
and then bafana ka di-swap. So ke ntho ya neng eo?
Ya last year ka January.
So ba re kaofela batho ba aba matcha ma DNA no mntwana. So jwanong case ya tloela jalo.
A ya tlohelwa jalo ba itse ba sa investigate. Everyone wa tlo tshwarwang around mo Makapane, they will take the DNA and ba check.
Mo ntlong mo go o na le kae? O na le ka?
O na le kwa RDP ka Nhlela.
Okay. And then one notice able o dutse wheelchair.
O nna mo wheelchair, yes.
So as o re mos ke motho o tsamaya di strata ntho tseo.
So ke nya go itse ke interrogation for nna ntho or ke eng.
No,
I don't
it's
understand
not.
anything. Why is it no so a ke tlhaloganye le hore
Tla go jwetsa etsalang. In South Africa, we have what we call the Child Protection Act.
Yes.
Cases tsa bana tsa rape, especially of a disabled child, is priority number 1.
Yes.
Those cases cannot go unsolved. What year did that happen?
Wait a minute.
We're 26 now.
Wait a minute. KCA ina le investigation officer ya yona. E leng hore why follower, whether the follow ups and stuff.
O qenne neng ho bolwen?
Ke buile le yana this year around February.
So when are you satisfied?
I'm not satisfied. I cannot say I'm satisfied.
So I'm here to help you.
Yes, please.
That's why I'm here. Or in 2 years, 2025.
2024, I think.
2024.
Yeah.
We're in 2026. Yeah. It's unacceptable that we don't know what's happening. That's 1. 2, it's unacceptable that ngwana o rapiwa ko ntlong mo hona le banna ko teng. And then bese kuthiwa sizofuna emhlabeni wonke am suspect. It doesn't add up to me. Except if uri kontlung eo ke sphaza ho na di chomi tse ngata ona le bana ba bangata ba tswang ba kena.
So are you saying we're the perpetrator kwa Mahal?
It's possible.
Yes,
very possible.
Possibility but okay. What if we cannot what do we do?
This is why I am here with these very cameras that open doors that you can't. Allow me. Ne? I can't promise you an arrest today. I can promise you a speedy action in this case. Akamia, if this perpetrator is not apprehended, how many other offenses are out there? And then wena, as a mother, uhleli uzofila kanjani mawuzo guti another child, something like this happened to them. Isn't it like wena wa co-sign or wa dumela? Ayenze leyo nto leyo. So indaba ye GBV South Africa or ye rape, it stops becoming about your wants and your likes as soon as ama rights omntwana are violated, because it's not just about the offense, it's about all the children. Wetsala. Ngicela ukuthi ubaba kutshela ukuthi why yena a decide ukuyenza lento le ngendlela yakhe.
Yes.
And then we can release you.
Exactly.
Sharp. Papa. Okay. Bulela dumel yeah. Batswadi la itsana kere. All right. Abu Tapel. Hlalosa papa.
Ke biditse batho ba di camera ka ntlha rone ke sa kry thuso ke nyakana le thuso mo tlhemo mo maphodiseng ba paletse go nthusa. And then since 2024 ngwana repilwe a ona ntho iralang a ona I think ira appear go khota a ona motho sela tshwariwa a ona ntho iraitse ebile ke breakiwa ke rela di protection order tse di senteng ke tlhatlhelwa lo tlhatlhelwa ke tlhadi torong go mfo ntho e senteng ba tra go mbologa gore ke ska ira selo ba nya gore ke nestele this thing in nore e fedile ona ka moka
uri di results tsa ntate uri tsa batho kaofela mo jareteng di tswile. Oh, you were saying that.
Yes.
Di tswile and then di re kaofela bona ba their di ba le file di pampiri.
Hore nna ke a tseba hore ke manga rapile ngwana nna ha ke itse.
Hona le di pampiri ba le fileng tsona tsa di test tsa di results or ba le jeditse ka molomo. Papa.
Papa he le ngwana le mma.
Itse
No. Akere wena papa ore imagancane mama. Akere papa wena ore Guys, unmen kancane.
Uthi unelena abe safe.
Yeah, manyana sister abo.
Yes sir.
Papa, akere wena o re ba le file di results.
Motho o tlile monna.
Mang
Motho na tsere case.
o tshwere case
Ha tsa di test. A tse di tso di bui. Ba di tsere wo thapelo le.
so o tlile a tsama le wena thapelo yena a tsama le wena la ilonka di DNA
Ya wona o ntsere
mo
hae a
tsa molong.
ya tsamaya.
Okay, and then Buti a monka neng.
Buti ba mo tsere ha be.
Okay,
Ntse ba rasa.
ba tla mo ntlo
Ba bolella yo.
ba mo tsere tsa molomo le tsona.
ba mo tse ba re ko mathomo ba mo tse re tsa molong a ba di result di bua ba re ha se ene
Okay,
ba mo tse a madi
okay.
a ba di bua a re a se tsona a se ena ha ona mo a metšhang le
Buti o kila rape before
ao
o rabulelwa case ya ro rape.
buti a ke ngwana wa mosweet o no thoma o tlhakatlhakana
Nako na tshwerwe.
Nako le motshwarisa mo lefufaya mo.
Papa na strike le o tlo cancela case ora.
A isa tshwariwe Buti.
ke re o thomile go tlhakatlhakana ha thoma go ja di-drugs buti na
Khala ja di-drugs motho.
bona o itse buti pele buti na
Wena wa le ruswi.
buti o thomile gona
A isa e trongo.
wa itse re ke ntapelo tsamaya yo go mapoditseng nna re itse selo ka ntwe e ya go mapoditseng o ba botsitse
Beanong sister ka o botsa ne. DNA ya Buti a iteng. A seng ya iriwe bi. Ke re bja nna ke a o botsa. Ke nna ke rileng research tse tsotlhe ke boletse le batho ba le bela sanye go boleleng. Ka ntlha gore ba itse gore ba ibile. A di teng jo tseo ka mo. Ba utlwa nno ba botsa ba re le nno ne. E re ka mo founela that guy. Ra mmotsisa. O tlo utlwa ntse go botsang yona. A di teng DNA tsa Buti ka mo.
Sisi, ke gopela di number tsa the investigating. Is this the investigating officer? O daily. Hello? Hello papa le kae? Ke a phela le kae papa? O bolela le Andile ga ile siwe. Yeah, Papa, you the IO more casing your offense.
I used to be an IO, but currently I'm at the national office.
So you're not in charge of this case anymore?
No, I'm not in charge.
Who's the current?
Engaged with that case a lot.
Who's the current investigator?
But that's what I'm saying.
The phone died. Okay, this is very simple. Says Kulumile Skadile. Let's go to Klebkhat. I get a case in Ebu to go Klebkhat. Ibuti mo. Ya isi wa go Klebkhat.
Okay, go Klebkhat.
Thuso e ke batlang for ngwana ka go hore ngwana ka a be le peace, a be safe. Ne?
Is she safe here?
Yes, and then o holetse ka mo. Why asa rapiwa from Kane le Kane?
How do you know?
Why asa
How do you know?
How do I know what?
How do you know that she wasn't raped from Mngane and then yatholakala ngalelo langa? How do you know? Akere uri wena no sa dulilene.
Ne ke dula le yena before.
Mara uri no sa tsebe no lisiko. Mamela sis, mamela. Remove this man from the picture. What you are doing right now? No. You are mixing issues. And listen to my accuser ngazo it is emotional ubata wena. It's you who's doing that.
No
now
way.
I'm talking to you about the child. Ke rimowen.
Motho o biditse mo tsa mathomo hana nnete.
Asambeni siye eKlebkhat ngoba umama lo usakhuluma ngendaba zothando thina sikhuluma ngengane, which is very very sad. Let's go. Asambeni. Yeah, uzibonele nawe kunzima la ngaphandle. Kodwa bona into engimangazayo engenza ngizubhlungu for ama survivor nabantwana abadlunguliwe. How is it that a case evulwe eHammanskraal docket nako konke okuphathelene nayo ku an hour? It's actually over an hour we've been driving from laphana asikafiki nala siya khona ukuyothola impendulo. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi njoba kuthiwa icase ivuliwe akuna movement, kuno investigator omusha akaziwe ukuthi ubani, akafonela umndeni abachazela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi njoba lo baba ka Akhamina uthi bazile bathatha ama DNA swabs abo boy 3, ubaba wengane uthi uyafunga uyagomelela ukuthi ayikho i-DNA test ngalo osolwa kakhulu lapho kulelo khaya. And on top of that, the fact that there are 2 sisters who are officers, police officers, in the same police station that holds the docket. Singaba khona isandla semfene lapho khona umthelela angazi kodwa se police station. Stay tuned. Miss Commander, how are you? Very well. You're speaking to Andile. We're from a TV channel. This gentleman and his mother came to us for help because they were not getting any kind of assistance. And so I think the biggest thing is that the perpetrator is in the same with a child currently and the mother. And the biggest thing here that the father feels that he's not getting justice, just so that you are aware, is that 2 of our sisters are actually police officers in your station, and he feels that their reason this is happening because the perpetrator is their brother.
Situation from my side.
Okay.
In 2024, I was not.
Sure. Okay.
What I'm going to do is the of my office, from the ACS,
yes. Oh, yes.
So tomorrow morning I will get the case docket and then I will peruse the docket and see what was done and why it was done.
Okay.
If there's anything that I can rectify or change or help these people so that they can get justice, then I will do it.
Okay. Will you give him your details?
My number is
082. The way Captain Abuileng Kateng. And then he's personally taking responsibility. It's sure if you're not wrong, correct.
Okay.
Wabo? So, horibo osiba akamia ba sebetsa mo, it doesn't mean anything.
Okay.
Wa tlhaloganya. Wa utlwisisa mama. Mama o feel jwang?
Okay. And then go fellow
Ne? All right. I think Rito who change it? Dilo di change it right now.
Yeah.
O ka se tshwanele pele. A ke re ne se re fitlhile. Yeah, for exactly this thing.
Yeah.
All right. Le rona re leboga. Thile. Sathi masifika kwasidlodlo. Washo captain ukuthi cha ngizoyibheka le docket ngibone oku wrong mangabe kukhona ngicorrect bese ngihamba lendlela with the family kuyangijabulisa mina lokho because akunamntwana okufanele ukuthi aphile kanjena siqedile mawusenkingeni sifonele nilale kahle mbukeli emva kophenyo olujulile nanokukhuluma namaphoyisa sikhuluma nobaba uCaptain Smith uthi yena bayalivala icala ngoba ama-DNA results engane nokamsolwa awahlangani awamatch kodwa ubaba wengane uThapelo uthi cha akayithathi yena lonto leyo uyasola ngempela ukuthi khona isandla semfene ngakho ke yena uzosifunela an independent